The Miles Crafted drill block you know and love just got a big brother. The Drill Block Plus is the next generation in the line of Miles Craft precision drilling products. Like the drill block before it, the Drill Block Plus ensures you drill perfectly straight holes every time. Flat boards, round stock, or on 90-degree angles, you'll never miss the mark. With 9 of the most common solid steel bushing sizes from 3/32 up to ½ inch or 4 to 12 millimeters, you'll always be equipped to drill whatever size hole you need wherever you need it in imperial or metric sizing. Positioning the Drill Block Plus is quick and easy. Vertical centering notches on both sides of the product make sure you hit the bullseye every time. In addition to more bushings, the Drill Block Plus is loaded with anti-slip material. It has over 4 times more rubber to help it stay in place. The anti-slip material continues into the V-groove located on the bottom of the Drill Block Plus. This helps you keep better grip on round stock and plastic or metal pipes. Don't settle for uneven, off-center, crooked holes. Go with the biggest, the best, and grab a new Drill Block Plus.
Milwaukee introduces the M18 Fuel Compact Router, delivering full corded performance with fast, accurate depth adjustments and the runtime to complete 250 feet of 3/8-inch roundover cuts on a single charge. The new M18 Fuel Compact Router comes equipped with a Power State brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence. When paired with the Red Lithium M18 XC 5.0 battery pack, the router is able to generate 1.25 horsepower. Achieve fast, accurate adjustments by utilizing the secure macro adjust button and accurate micro adjust dial to set up for the perfect cut. The M18 Fuel Compact Router is compatible with the new plunge base and offset base accessories. Experience the power and accuracy of the M18 Fuel Compact Router with corded performance, fast, accurate depth adjustments, and the runtime to cut up to 250 feet per charge.
Checking for square in woodworking is imperative, but small projects present some roadblocks. Whether dialing in a tool or aligning project parts, parallel and perpendicular surfaces always come into play. The Woodpecker's Mini Square tackles that problem, diving into the tightest or most narrow spots that the average square can't get to. The Mini Square is a great resource for checking your tools on the fly. A deep red anodized finish highlights any gaps you need to eliminate. Its small stature makes the Mini Square the obvious choice for getting into tough-to-reach places. The Mini Square is also the go-to for checking chisels and plane irons for square. The relieved inside corner makes certain that your tools will not be marred or nicked. The Mini Square also lends an easy hand to marking out joinery. Simply index your pencil or knife in your established line, gently slide the square up to it, and extend your line around the corner. When you're done for the day, take your Mini Square out of your pocket and place it in your included, engraved, wall-mountable case.
The new and improved Swanson ProScribe tape measure is the only tape measure in the world that enables you to make perfect lines and circles while being built into this little tape. Let me show you how it works. Here's how you get the guide out. You pull this lever up, you have 2 magnets that grab these wings. You can lock this down. Now you'll take your pencil and put it right in there where your thumb is going to hold it in place to mark your lines. The improved patented bumper on the bottom of this allows you to make circles easily. Now I can lock this in place and I can easily make circles. So now we'll make a quick arc. And if I want to connect lines in there, I can easily do that. I need to line up these 2 boards. The normal way would be to get a measurement right here, and then over here and back here. I have to keep my eye exactly on the line. With this, I don't have to. Pull my lever up. Now, this is gonna lock right in place. Once I lock it in place, I can move it accordingly and get this in the exact spot.
What are you doing?
I'm getting sandpaper ready for that project.
Use a GEOS. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at one of our favourite tools in the Triton range, the Geared Eccentric Orbital Sander.
Otherwise known as the GEOS. The reason this is one of our favourites is because it's like having one tool with two personalities.
Kind of like the Jekyll and Hyde of sanders.
On one hand, you've got the heavy duty beast mode, which takes material away just like that.
And on the other hand, you've got the more tameable, fine sanding mode for those finishing details.
So let's take a look at the specs. The machine itself is a 500 watt unit and it features two different gear modes. It also comes in at just over 3 kilograms, which is absolutely fine if you need to sand for longer periods of time.
You've got the option of a 5 or a 6-inch hook and loop sanding pad, and the machine has an easy to adjust variable speed.
So in the box you'll find the main GEOS unit as well as a heavy duty carry bag.
It also comes with both the 5 and a 6-inch sanding pads, as well as a hex key so you can swap between the two. As you can see, ours are pretty well used.
Lastly, you get a range of sanding discs from 80 to 220 grit, meaning that you can get a great finish straight out the box.
So if you do need to change that sanding pad, just use the hex key provided to undo that bolt. Once you've swapped those pads over, simply tighten the bolt back up, being sure to keep the washers in the same order. There's a diagram in the manual if you do forget.
To install the sandpaper, simply line up the holes, as this is how the dust is removed when you're sanding. Now you may have noticed that this unit doesn't come with a dust bag, and that's because ideally you want to use a proper dust extraction system. The port on the back is a 31mm port. We use these rocker adapters and they work great.
The front handle is fully adjustable. All you have to do is release that lever and it can go up, down, left or right. This makes it nice and easy to switch between left and right handed if you need to.
To adjust the speed, there's a small dial on the back. Word to the wise, don't start at full power in forced rotation mode until you've had some practice. There's a reason we call it beast mode.
The GlueMate line by Milescraft are the perfect glue accessories for everyone from master craftsmen to first-time DIYers. These advanced glue bottles make for quick and accurate glue application on any project. The GlueMates are available in a compact 5-ounce bottle and a larger 15-ounce bottle to help you tackle gluing projects from small to large. The secret is the 2-chamber design. When pressure is applied, the glue is sent from the bottom of the large storage chamber up the smaller application chamber, assuring fresh glue every time. This allows you to better control the flow and deliver just the amount of glue you need. It even allows for vertical application. You can apply glue anywhere at any angle. Included with each GlueMate are 2 different anti-drip applicator tips. The fine cone applicator tip is great for laying down consistent beads of glue to join 2 boards or for applying precision application in dowel holes and other joints. The flat biscuit applicator tip is great for creating wide, flat beads of glue and is perfect for biscuit joining. So grab your favorite wood glue and fill up a Milescraft GlueMate today.
Jet is fully committed to quality, innovation, and service. Each and every product is designed to empower woodworkers to do more in their craft. That's why Jet is proud to introduce the new portable 13-inch benchtop planer. Delivering the power and efficiency woodworkers demand in their shop, the Jet 13-inch benchtop planer produces a smooth and consistent cut surface thanks to its powerful 2-horsepower 15-amp motor and helical-style cutter head design with 6 rows of 26 individual quick-change inserts. The robust construction features a precision machined cast iron bed and steel cover to keep boards flat and reduce snipe. The Jet 13-inch benchtop planer features dual in-feed controls with speeds of 18 or 26 feet per minute and is capable of removing up to 1/8 inch of material with each pass. Accurate, repeatable cuts are easily set up and performed with the intuitive depth stop. The folding, adjustable in-feed, out-feed tables help support larger workpieces, and convenient side handles make moving the planer around the job site or shop easy and convenient. Following strict guidelines and electrical requirements, the Jet 13-inch benchtop planer is CSA certified and is proudly backed by Jet's 3-year warranty.